Hi, today I want to show you how I set up my OBS software on my new laptop. I have been using OBS application for some time now, but recently I just bought a new laptop with the NVIDIA GTX 1060 graphic card, and I found there is a problem. So just let me show you what's happening here. Normally, if I want to capture the screen, I need to add a display capture here. Say OK. Normally, you will see the laptop screen in this preview window. So it's a screen in the screen. So at the moment, you can see it's not working. So what I need to do is go to right click on the desktop and go to the NVIDIA control panel. So manage 3D settings. Now click on program settings tab, and here you can see the list of all the programs installed on my computer. If it's not found here, I can go to add and select here they are the recently used, basically the application I've run recently, but I can find OBS here, Open Broadcaster software here. So and then I have to select integrated graphics and click on apply. So now I restart OBS. Voila! You can see the preview window is here, and I'm going to run a test recording. Click on start recording and just open a window, move a little bit here and stop recording. Now I'm going to find my recording here. That's a recent one. Yeah, you can see my recording, but I didn't record the whole screen, but you can see the recording is working fine now. Okay. If you have similar problem with OBS on your NVIDIA graphic card, you can try this. I hope you find the video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.